It's winter time again, 17 degrees outside, the furnace is running. That means dry, itchy skin and static electricity. So if you want to be more comfortable this winter, you're going to need to get yourself a humidifier. This one here on my right is the one I bought from Costco last year. This one here on the left is the one I just bought from Costco. This is the newest model. They've made a couple improvements. I'm going to get both of these out of the boxes and talk about the improvements they made. So if you go to Costco, you're going to be looking for this one right here. If we take a look at the front of the boxes, this is last year's model on the left. This is the brand new version on the right. They got rid of the essential oil tray and added a remote control, but they kept the cost the same. It's still $59. And if we take a look at this side of the box, almost identical, except they added a reduced static shock on the new version. If we take a look at this end of the box, a little bit different graphics, but showing all the exact same features. Except for the newer version here on the right, the tanks are much larger so you can get your hands in there to clean a little better. It even shows a picture right there. This old version, the top of the tank had a small hole, so it was a little bit difficult to clean. So here are the biggest differences in the newer version. This tank is all one piece. Lifts out just like that. Whereas the old version, you have two separate tanks. And there's what I mean about the small hole to get your hand in to clean. Another big difference is the remote control. Even though these are kind of a set it and forget it, in my opinion, you figure out the humidity level you want, you set it and forget it. The new one does have the remote in case you're going to move this around the different rooms, and you don't have to get up out of your chair to miss your favorite movie or TV show. It's got a nice thin remote control. Another difference is the old version has the warm mist function as well. Kills 99.99% of bacteria, where the new version has the UVC technology. You have to have it on the warm mist setting, which kills bacteria, mold, and fungus. Another difference is the new one has a larger screen that's easier to read than the old one. It's almost twice as big. And one thing about having the tank being a single piece instead of the dual piece is this new one actually has built-in carry handles. So it does make it a little easy to carry, where the old version doesn't have handles at all. So if you weren't careful, you could spill or drop this one because you're just basically holding it from the top and the bottom. But the new built-in handles is a pretty cool feature. I'm going to be doing some testing on the new version in the next couple of days and weeks, so stay tuned for the posting of those videos. And if there's one thing I can tell you that's going to make your humidifier work the best possible, make sure you use distilled water. If you use regular tap water, you're going to get mineral deposits built up, even using the demineralization cartridges. You're also going to get a little bit of a whitish mist, and that's going to get on your furniture and countertops. So use distilled water. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.